Hi everyone. So what I want to do is I want to show you the Wlan settings for the IC705. Now, to get that feature, you need to upgrade to the latest firmware update 1.20. So to do that, you can click on Menu, click on Set, and then go to page 3 out of 3, go to Wlan. To configure, you should make sure the Wlan is off, so you can see it's off right here. And then connection type, click on it and make sure you click on access point. Then connection settings, let's click on that. For the SSID, you can click on that, you can change the SSID. That's the name that you'll see on your tablet, your phone, your computer. So that's nice. Go back. Password, you can click on password, type in your password. It has to be 8 characters or more. So you do that. And then inactivity, Wlan off timer. So if it's not active for 20 minutes, it'll turn off, but you can change that. You can turn it off 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. I'm going to leave it at 20. And then your IP address is fixed at 192.168.59.1. So you can't change that. Go back. And then to turn on your Wlan, you go over here and you turn it on. Then you can go back, and now you see the icon right there. Then when you take out your tablet, your computer, your phone, you'll see IC705 as a internet point. Apparently you can't connect this to the internet to give internet to your tablet, but a good thing about having this as a Wlan, I can see connecting my Raspberry Pi to it and my tablet so that I can communicate remotely that way. All right, I hope that was useful, and have a great day, and please consider subscribing or a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.